Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right cable and port because compatibility avoids damage and data errors. Once done, confirm the device has power or battery charge so the link can be established. Make sure to inspect both connector ends and the port for dirt or bent pins. A quick visual prevents failures. Then align the connector correctly. USB-C is reversible. USB-A and others require orientation. And hold steady while inserting to protect the hardware and ensure once the cable is seated, you may need to select a connection mode on the device. Choose file transfer for data, tethering for internet, or charge only to conserve transfers. Make sure your computer recognizes new hardware. On Windows, check Device Manager, on macOS, check Finder or System Information, and on Linux, check DMESC or LSUSP. If drivers are required, install the vendor package or allow the OS to fetch them. Remember to safely grant permissions so files and folders are accessible. To finish, you should safely eject or unmount storage on the computer before unplugging to prevent file corruption. Once done, close any open transfers and then disconnect the cable. If the device isn't recognized, try a different USB port or a known good cable and reboot both devices. This resolves many handshake issues. For stubborn problems, update drivers or firmware, and make sure device permissions and connection mode are correctly set. A single setting often explains why a transfer fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.